Hey, are you searching for a job in Oman, Qatar, UAE and Bahrain? This video is for you because I'll share 6 effective ways on how you can get job fast, step by step. Let's go. So guys, our number one point will be searching online, and I believe you have heard this million times and you're wondering how is this effective. Well, I'm going to show you right now. Practically, we are going to search and given job so that you see how you can do this effectively step by step. And hey, in case you're new here, I'm Jackie. Thank you so much for tuning in. Now, to make this effective, you have to bear in mind a few things. One is you have to update your CV and cover letter, save both in your device. Second, some entry jobs don't require prior experience, just apply. Then you need to think of a job you're applying for so that you know what kind of companies you'll be searching, right? Now, in this case, we are going to search for, let's say, teaching job. So we are going to search for schools, right? So we are going to search for a teaching job right now. Let's do it. And something else I want to tell you before we start is you can use your phone. It is as good as a laptop, any device. And remember to save both your CV, your cover letter in your device. Okay, let's go. So depending with the search engine you are using, I'm using Google. Just type in private schools in Oman, just like so. There we go. The results are so many. Click to get more. Just click there so that you get more. Okay, so keep scrolling down and then more places like so. Now here you can even see locations of schools in case you want to visit in person. So let's go down and we can click in it to just see whether they have any vacancies. So there we go. So let's click one of the schools, the American International School of Muscat. Yeah, now this is the interface of the school website. So you wanna go to the careers section. Careers, okay. Let's see. Okay, now you can see they have 6 vacancies. So there are so many. I mean, there are 6 in numbers. So we have to check one. Let's click that one. This is the grade 3 to grade 5 classroom teacher. So here you need to follow on-screen instructions. You just register and then you click apply. Do to as many schools as possible. To other jobs categories, do the same to company websites, and for sure you will get a job. Okay guys, now we are done with the teaching job, and for the other jobs you can follow the same pattern. For example, if you are waitress or you are looking for the same job, just search the hotel names, go to their website, career section and apply. Even if you don't see like the advert for the said job, just try to apply because there is the email contact of the HR. Send your papers. Do this to as many hotels as you can. Other job categories, do this to as many companies as you can, and you never know what will happen. Just keep trying. Our second point will be visiting Omani-based job portals or Gulf-based job website. This website, they are very, very effective, and I'm sure some of them you already know. I'll share some of them. I have 6 of them, so I'll be sharing them. So go there and make a profile. If you have one, just go there and update one. It's something else you can do. Go there, search for jobs, apply. When you're done with that, make like an advert of your profile, like your name, age, gender, and the job you're looking for, and then post that like an advert, and the employers might find you. So our number 1 goes to Nakri Gov. This website, I highly recommend it. So here you can actually search by location, like UAE, Saudi, Qatar, Kuwait, Bahrain. Let's try Oman. There we go. Actually, you can also search by job title, and let's try to click one job title. Education, yeah. Okay, let's see. There we go. So many jobs, teaching jobs. All the teachers who are emailing me, please check this website. There are so many jobs. Yeah, there are so many teaching job: art teacher, ICT teacher, primary homeroom teacher. Guys, to apply you need to create account. Like on top right, you can see you need to create account there, and then you apply. To other job categories, do the same. So let's go to the next website, which is indeed.com. This is also very super effective, guys. Try it. So here you need to create account, create your CV, and there is section for employers and employees or job seekers. So you can also search by job title, waitress, let's see, and also by location. By the way, this is Muscat, Oman. Let's find, and there we go. You can see waitress vacancies, so many. Yeah, so you can do this to other job categories as well. And you need also to create account, don't forget. Yeah, so teachers, again, Muscat, find jobs, again, so many vacancies. By the way, teaching job, I'm telling you, there are so many vacancies. Please guys, apply. And the same goes to other job categories. So you need to dig into these websites. Okay, there are so many jobs. So next one will be bet.com. Number 3 will be bet.com. Let's see, and there we go. I think they are almost the same with the interface. So you need to create your CV. There is section for employers, job seekers, and then you need also to like search by job title or by location. Also, okay, we try steward now. Okay, steward, and in Oman, search. So there is stewarding supervisor, and then you apply. So let's go to number 4, govtalent.com. This is also another incredible website. Let's try it. So this one also the same thing. You can search by job title or location, and you need also to register. If you are job seeker, if you are employer, also you need to register so that you can post jobs. So Oman, jobs in Oman. Again, there are so many jobs. There are so many jobs there. So you don't have any excuse not to apply. There are so many different jobs. Just apply. Let's go to the next one, monstergov.com. This I highly recommend it, guys. Please try to dig into this website. Let's try. Again, you need to create account, and you need to specify, are you an employer or job seeker, and then you follow on-screen instructions. So you search by either location or job title. Yeah, etc. Most of them are the same. So let's try by location. So Oman, there are so many countries there. So Oman, there you go. Again, so many vacancies, and it's not like only one type of job. There are different type of jobs. So what are you waiting for? Just dig into these websites and apply, and for sure you'll get a job. So guys, let's go to the next one. Now this one is the giant of all of them. I mean, I don't have even enough words to emphasize how effective LinkedIn is. If you are looking for a job and you have not tried this, I don't know what you are doing. This is the best number one. Try. So the third point will be social media. Guys, social media is very powerful. It is a powerful tool when it comes to job search. So try to check my other videos, especially on TikTok, Instagram. I have created a number of them explaining on how you can do that. And also try to check other content creators in each country. I believe there are so many people talking about job. Like this video, I'm talking about how you can get jobs, right? So social media is very powerful when it comes to this. It will help you a big time. In the future, I'll try to create more depth videos on how you can get jobs. So if you haven't subscribed yet to this channel, please do so. So number 4, agents. Now there are some tips I want to share with you. Some agents are con artists, some agents are genuine. I have seen people benefiting or getting jobs through agents, but the problem is most of them are con artists. So what you do your research, ask people who have already gotten jobs through this agent, and then you can commit to this agent, because most of them are con artists. And as well, even if they are genuine, they are very, very expensive. They will be asking a lot of commission. They are very, very expensive, some of them. Here you are looking for a job and then someone is asking money from you, so it can be very, very expensive. But for sure I have seen people getting jobs through agents. So just do your research and also ask other people who have probably gotten jobs through these agents. Guys, the last point will be connections through friends and relatives. I know some can be very mean, but at the same time I have seen so many people benefiting from this. Just ask how they got their jobs, which website, which agent, how did they make it. Try to get this kind of knowledge, and eventually you will also get the job. Tell them you are interested, send them your resume, keep asking them, and eventually they might help you. Even if you not get a direct job, as I said, you might get the knowledge on how things are done to get the job. Let's call it a wrap. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate your time, guys. Until we meet in the next video, it's bye bye for now. Much love from me.